Tipra Idol Season 1 Grand Finale. Borok Paite Borok ready Inglaite Padi City judges on the one going on Ibuskango, dance of Panabaga Borok Belike Fantabulous Samung Tiger City Bagay Tini City finalists on the Borok Mark Luka Borok Tangai Talsan is ABC Borok City judge in the Tiger From the beginning, Borok Chengui, Tabusura, Snow Logeri Domabai, Bornosen, Sini Dangso Pai, Sini Hamdamani Yapai, Simborno Kisisa, Hamdama Prunabagi, Simborno, Chigonsa Yapai Renabagi, Borno Dangso in Halandri. May I now call upon all the judges to come here on the stage. Sini judges orang beskango, koinai beskango mana bagai yango, beskango tadi bila. Sengorno mungsa rime yang pano. Sengorno kebang night stop yak bay rime yang pano. Norno seng hambai di kulpaya. Sengorno hambai di kulpaya. Tam ni himba. Norni judgment ni yagolose. Tini sini finally semua senjat kaiman ka. Daya apa high trainer? Borong ni result semua sen announcement kainan kami tunggu. Ozer awal sen padi sini judges semua sen sini hamzah mani yapai sen yapar lain. Tahuk tay buhuk song. Sengborno sini hamdamani yakpai risharui. Sengborno borong berlain tadi. Sengjota ya perform lain please. Kau ni bagai. Oh judges of ini sini bukan kering ke. Seng bahai kai ini ni dia final ini sengjat kelima kamu. Apa norno wan sumaro. Belai ke hambai norno sino belai ke utsahor ka, belai ke sino khabasa ka, belai ke sino naita to kai, norni judgment da kai, noro sino chuba ka. Apa ni bagai norno hamjak mani pai flyer ni yak pai, sing kisi sa henbo, cikon sa henbo, sing norno rimama bagai oboro noro sini yak ni iya sak jadi. Belai ke hambai sini judges semua, norok sini man kena, yang di klien, ang korsa kai sini mungkin ritang sini tewi saya hai. Sini Sar Arun, belai ke resap keren composer, writer, sini Sar Arun, yang otomo, Sangeet Natak Academy ni, award manjak, prestigious award India Hackathon ni, award manjak sini buku Torubala di Burma. Yang otomo sini belai ke eminent singer, composer and writer, sini Sar Satyaranjan di Burma. Bono sing belai ke hamba di kulpaya, borok hai borok tongmo bai, sing sini o grand finale no, sing success klay mano. Yang otomo sini tay koroksa, sini Sar Hemant Kumar Jamatia, belai ke eminent singer, composer, writer, and Sangeet Natak Academy ni, award winner 1991, if I'm not mistaken. 96, I'm sorry, 96 so. So, borok hai borok tongmo bai, sini o finale, successful mission klay mano. Yang otomo sini belai ke kesam, belai ke sinijak, belai ke music keren, music director, scorer, Matia hai toke ragobo music score saja. Tapi apa hai kena sini director, sini Sar Keplai Jamatia, tapi yang otomo sini Sar Sorot Riyang. Belai ke keren, belai ke sini hasteo, belai ke sinijak, Saya hakino film direction robo khai dongo rosamu robo suyo joro joro robo rosabu robo nukna dekhna kana hamai nor jotono tei jain hai phari ngai norno jeng jotono yak disau hamai len phari jotono hamai thank you so much norok jeni ja thayo ajogi man and now not only talent by, not only fun by, not only sermon by, not only rehearse by, not only our software. Sini EMs, sini MDCs, they sini former EM betul. Borobo, joto kakeli, dah saban nariga. Result apa hai na nongkorka. Semi finale wo, korok tham, time ni norok or korok. 사전아, 너를 섭외가. 걸어봐 동나 자가오. 너는 kepal kaham. Did your result announced by Sinai? But before that, Sini Baji ready to go?
Yes.
Marjoto ready now?
Yes.
Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is. Tolong ibu kakti yang ceng Sinai.
Last harness.
Mehli Deverma on the stage, please. Ingat, angkabu, nungguin hari Sinai, sini bus kamu, MDC, Uma Shankar, sini bus kamu, sini buku Mehelino, ini Shokatno, ya pernah bagi. Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth position sing by Baksake competition round grand finale sixth position Bo Tiger. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Mehli on the sixth position. Sing joto ya pakong lene please. Man ka sing chiru chiru kong lene. Body logi wo. Body check. Body check ya farjangai. Body check bo ya farjangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of the box song. Are you ready? Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Haga, Buku, Ishita, Tripura. Thank you. So don't have please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Benny Sokano Yapana Bagay, and Lumina Hanai, Emily, Patanlal Jamatia on the stage. Senjata ya pakolan please. Bon ni bagai. Takok tay bukuk song. On the fourth position. Belai ke Wan Sungmani Yagulo. Belai ke task competition ni Yagulo. Fourth position of Sopaka. Die. Semi-final wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks में बर्फ फेंका. But finale wo Khorok नहीं. Fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Deberma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngay, Sydney, fourth position of Sopaka. Borok Kanini Bisimo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopaka. Senjata ya pakolan ini abang Bagay, please. And
Yes.
Dabo kang nong nibus kang announce kanya na idong the second runners-up mane third position of ni dabo. Boni bong nang dabo nong nibus kang announce kaya na. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deverma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuhal Deverma on the stage, please. Time. Boni, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with the guitar. Balai ka hambay? Duglayo ito sa inyo itang Pinay. Sydney, first runners-up. Oh, Bugok Sushmita. Bugok Sushmita nini trophies. Bos kango iya persakap. Sini EM ICA Department and Sports ni besi dike. Shuhel Deberma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sama saya teman. Ready? Come on. Baksani tik panang imano. Baksani iya panang mano. But senjata ya pakorong lenay, jota cirkong lenay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the second, the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Boleh apa nama yang kau ini? Sini GTA di sini ni EM featuring Rajesh Tripura. Boleh kah hambai? Guys, a trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni Logio. Guys, a guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000. And non Nibuskango and Tabuksini final winner. No, China Nido. Piaba. Winner ng Sigang Tubugla. Pulang Numinahanay Sini GTA di sini. CEN Purno Chandra Jamatia. Stage of Hanabagi sir. Please. And now, that final round. The final round is Ruben Stepperma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. There's a trophy, there's a guitar, Logio, there's a scooty tie, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Senjata ya pagong ni Navin Bagay. And this is history from today on.